Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How's life with you? Hope you are doing great today. So, in this special moment, we would like to deliver you a nice tip on how to write a business statement. A business statement is a written document to state something. So here you would like to give information about a business. When you are going to write a business statement, you should make sure that you keep it short and concise. Here you can summarize the company's information into just few sentences, and also it is good that you avoid writing an essay, and you should not also make it too limiting. And also, before you start writing, it will be good if you try to make an outline so that you know the points that you are going to deliver through the business statement. And then don't forget to doing a little research about who is the recipient of your letter. When writing a business statement, you would like to mention the recipient complete with the details of contact information and also the street address of their home or their office or the company and so on. So before you start, it will be nice if you know every single thing that you are going to put on the letter. And as the starting point, you can go to the first part, which is the date of the letter. So at the left side of the heading, you can state today's date, which is August 10th, 2020. And then after that, you can mention the information about the recipient. In this case, it is James Lin. Who is James Lin? James Lin is a managing director of Challenge International Ltd. So here I would like to mention the company name as well, complete with the address, which is 123 Barcelona Street, New York. And it is good also to mention the official phone number and also the manager phone number, for example. By knowing the audience of the letter, it will make your business statement looks more professional. And as the opening, I can say, "Dear Mr. James." It is okay to mention "Dear Madam" or "Dear Mr." or "Sir," but it would be nice if you mention the name directly, so the reader or the audience would like to appreciate that you know their name. And there will be 3 paragraphs in this letter. You can modify it if you want to, but it will be better if you make it shorter but clear, so that you can deliver the message very well. So as the opening paragraph, I write, this letter includes a statement letter of your annual salary. It has all the details of your annual salary, and therefore we kindly request you to go through the entire document before proceeding the steps further. So this is a statement letter about someone's annual salary. So I would like to address this letter to Mr. James in order to inform his annual salary. And then as the second paragraph, I say, as per the new policies, your basic pay has been increased by 10%. Additionally, now your rent, travel, healthcare, family support allowances will also be given. So besides the annual salary, there is an update about other benefits that I'm gonna give to Mr. James. There are employee benefits, so I mention one by one here in order to make everything clear where I write this statement, so Mr. James know the points and the messages. And then the last paragraphs, still I would like to give another information about the change of the salary, the increase of his salary. Here I state, we have noticed there have been 4 complaints within this month of your lethargic attitude, and therefore we are forced to deduct 1% of your basic pay for this month. We do hope that you shall pay it in the future and will not repeat such mistake again. We hope that you shall bring to our notice any discrepancy in the statement. So after the good news, there is a bad news. It is a statement or a notification to Mr. James that the company should deduct his salary up to 1% because of his mistakes. And for the proofs, there are 4 complaints within this month. So I am as the Chief Human Resource Department, I explain why these issues happens. So I make the third paragraph very clear here. If it is necessary, you can also start attaching the 4 complaints proof along to the business statement, or you can also mention any other context for the sake of further information that can be reached by Mr. James. So the closing here, I put my name Andrea Gardini and also my sign and also my position as the one who gave the business statement. So it's this simple. There are so many business statements that you can try. You can explore the one that you need. So keep practicing and write professionally. Enjoy.